Guys po, kakain na ako. Ito po. Pero guys, mamaya ko po gagawin yung part 11. So guys, kain na.
After a night on the wing, the kitchen is an ideal resting spot.
Ito naman.
Ay! Sige naman.
It's a perfect fit. Enough to stop the bats.
Tama na.
Ang sarap po guys.
Eh, tinatapon mo. Ayan o.
Marami kapag po.
Tayo muna.
Traps provide a parasite-free and cool place
sarap.
to sleep.
Akoy.
Mm.
Ano yung basahan?
Wait lang po guys.
Great range of fur back, but sometimes the other benefits isn't clear until evening arrives.
Yun na yan.
As it stirs,
Ito na po guys.
its
Na.
way,
Ito po.
supplying nutrients the plant can't get from the soil. And the other has become a fat tail.
Siguro hindi mo alam
What a
kung ano yung
brilliant way
sa'yo.
in which species have adapted to life on ancient soils. The islands between Asia and the New Island.
Ito. Burger to. Luto to ng mama ko. May ganito po kayong nanay. Masarap pag luto ko. Sarap. Ito, burger. Ito talaga niyo guys.
With the land eyes, species just need a way of getting there. Plants are the obvious that colonize the mainland.
Masarap.
Grasses, their seeds blown on the wind, are some of the best to run. But they are moving to cover up the weeds. They must find
Ito na.
by casting
Ito na. Tinanggal ko na yung ano nito. Ito na. Tinanggal ko na yung ano pinakita. Oo, papagalitan nito guys.
They join at a visible angle, but slip wherever the wind takes them. They so seldom take down boards or animals each day. Others take this.
Ito. Ito.